Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the phone ringtone sounds on the iPhone 13 series. Now, there are two ways of doing this. So I'll show you the two different methods. First, swipe up to go back to your home screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Then you go to the Sounds and Vibration Pattern section and tap on Ringtone. In here, the reflection ringtone is the default ringtone sound. In here, if you swipe down the list, you can see you can select some of the defaults here. So there are some built-in ringtones that you could choose. You can also choose some of the classic ringtone sound. And that's it. So that's how you can change it. Now the other way is to go back into the settings page, and then you can go down to the phone application, and in the phone application tap on notifications and then tap on sounds, and in here you can select a different sound. And so that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.